Hi everybody, Lindsay here again to chat with you about natural deodorant with balance. I'm super excited about this because I've been looking for a natural deodorant for a long time that was effective and smelled nice. And so during convention when they released Balance deodorant, I was super excited. If anybody has used the first formulated deodorant that dōTERRA put out, there was a general consensus that it just wasn't right, and so they went back at it and decided to reformulate this using the Balance blend. So the oils: Spruce, whole leaf, Frankincense, blue Tansy, blue Chamomile, and Osmanthus. Yes, I said that right. Osmanthus protect against odor, while Arrowroot and baking soda helps also protect against the odor and absorbs moisture, which is super important when you are using a natural deodorant. Natural deodorants are not antiperspirant. It's nice to have a few ingredients in there that help against that. And so it's safe and non-toxic. It's aluminum free, paraben free, and has no artificial fragrance. So usually in deodorants there are chemicals inside of them that get into our bloodstream from under our arms and can be really dangerous to our health, especially when we're trying to take such good. Okay, alright, I'm back. Sorry. Is not working. I don't know what is up with my Wi-Fi, guys. I'm so sorry. That's 2 for 2 having issues. Okay, so hopefully you heard what I said, but usually the deodorants that we use are filled with chemicals that are just not good for our bodies, and so this is going to be super helpful. I think it's also being reformulated for Citrus Bliss as well, if I read that correctly. You can get it wholesale for $8.75, so it is a great price, and I've been using it since convention and I haven't really had to turn the dial much at all, and so I think it's going to last a long time. And yeah, I just wanted to hop on really quick and tell you a little bit about the deodorant. Alright, talk to you later.